Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Automotive Vibes 07. The 2025 Tata Nexon continues to solidify its position in the compact SUV segment, offering a blend of style, performance, and safety that appeals to a broad spectrum of drivers. Design and exterior. The 2025 Nexon introduces two new color options, grassland beige and royal blue, enhancing its visual appeal. The SUV maintains its distinctive coupe-like silhouette, complemented by a bold front fascia featuring sleek LED headlights and a signature grille. The addition of new variants, such as the Pure Plus, provides consumers with more choices to suit their preferences. Interior and comfort. Inside, the Nexon offers a modern and spacious cabin. The interior design is clean, with horizontal elements that enhance the sense of space. High-quality materials and a user-friendly layout contribute to a comfortable driving experience. The fearless purple interior theme adds a touch of sophistication, appealing to those seeking a unique aesthetic. Performance and handling. Under the hood, the Nexon continues to deliver reliable performance suitable for both city commuting and highway driving. Its suspension system effectively absorbs road imperfections, ensuring a smooth ride. The steering is responsive, providing drivers with confidence in various driving conditions. Safety features. Safety remains a cornerstone of the Nexon's appeal. It comes equipped with 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, and electronic stability control as standard across all variants. These features contribute to its impressive safety ratings, making it a reliable choice for families. Technology and infotainment. The 2025 model is equipped with a 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, ensuring seamless smartphone integration. Higher variants offer additional features such as a sunroof, cruise control, and a premium sound system, enhancing the overall driving experience. Fuel efficiency. The Nexon offers competitive fuel efficiency figures, with the petrol variant delivering around 17.44 kmpl and the diesel variants offering approximately 23.23 kmpl. These figures make it an economical choice for daily commuting and long-distance travel. Pricing and variants. The 2025 Tata Nexon starts at a superscript 17.99 lakh, with the introduction of new variants like the Pure Plus priced at a superscript 19.69 lakh. This pricing strategy provides a range of options for consumers, catering to different budget requirements without compromising on essential features. Conclusion. The 2025 Tata Nexon continues to impress with its combination of style, safety, and performance. The introduction of new variants and color options enhances its appeal, offering consumers more choices to suit their preferences. Whether you're seeking a reliable family vehicle or a stylish compact SUV for urban driving, the Nexon remains a compelling option in its segment. For a more in-depth look at the 2025 Tata Nexon, you might find this video review helpful.